How to fix Duolingo sound. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, for that, go ahead and open up your Duolingo application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner. And from here, simply tap on Profile. Now once you are inside your profile section, simply tap on the grill-like icon at the top right corner. Now once you are inside settings, simply tap on Preferences under Account. And inside Preferences, you'll find Lessons Experience. Simply make sure that the sound effect is toggled on. And once you do that, head back to your home screen and then open up Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, simply tap on General. From here, tap on iPhone Storage. And once you are inside the iPhone storage, scroll below and then tap on Duolingo. And once you are in this section, tap on Upload App and then tap on Upload App again. Once you upload the app, make sure to reinstall the application again. Offloading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. Now once you are done here, head back to your home screen and then open up your App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Duolingo. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says Update instead of Open, simply tap on Update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then see if the issue has been fixed or not. If the issue still persists, simply long press Duolingo, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. Once the Duolingo application is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.